Okay. Good evening, good day, good afternoon, friends, business partners. It's KG Mukweno. We are here for a Zoom session for the RoyalQ. As you can see, I believe that you can see on the screen what I'm sharing. Welcome to the future. I don't know, Coach X, are you able to see what I'm sharing on the screen? At times, you know, one thing people can see what you are sharing, only to find that people actually do not see that. May you please confirm for me?
Yes, my leader, I can see RoyalQ. Welcome to the future.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Coach.
Thank
I really appreciate. So yeah, that's it, friends, business partners. We are here for this particular opportunity. It's a great opportunity indeed, and we're excited. I was just sharing in our WhatsApp group earlier that I was in touch with Dennis, which is my sponsor. Actually, it's in Germany, but originally from Nigeria. So we're just engaging with regards to how actually we want to get things done in terms of execution so that we are able to enroll partners accordingly as per the trading pool balances and so forth, so that people are able to make good choices when coming to the preset, number of cryptocurrencies that have been determined by RoyalQ. Friends, business partners, this is an execution platform. It is very easy to use, and you will see as we go through the slides, we are intending to keep our Zoom session for tonight very short, but definitely tomorrow we will be here, and then Sunday is also going to be a training for our subscribers so that we go into details and get used to the user interfaces, both from the exchange side and also on the side of the RoyalQ. We're intending to build a community of social traders. We've seen the dangers of taking substantial amount of our cryptocurrencies into companies that promise to trade for us and then be sharing profits with us accordingly. But at times it gets rough, whereby initiating of withdrawals actually gets not honored as a result, and we find ourselves stranded, and that's not what we want going forward. So what we want to do is come together, create a community, of traders whereby, we do this together. I always say that trading is like life. So you ought not to do it in isolation. Partner with other people of the same mindset who will go into this with you so that we share and we update one another and so forth. We're excited with this because here you don't go through the stress of being into a Telegram channel whereby signals have to be sent and so forth. At times, you realize that when a signal was released, you were perhaps asleep or you were busy at work, and then you missed out the opportunity to enter into the market and so forth. But with RoyalQ, everything is preset. And as a result, the parameters are in place, and we're actually becoming somehow experts of this particular tool through leadership, Bitcoin in Soweto, Mamtuli, the manner in which now we are able to control the number of the calls that needs to be taken, the margin calls and so forth. So it's very exciting indeed. And I believe that with time, we're going to grow and amazing things will happen out of this board. So everything with RoyalQ, it's automated, it executes trades on our behalf. And what we like the most with this bot is that we don't pay on monthly basis. We've been looking at several options when coming to automating our trades, friends, and then we realize that this is the cheapest. And when you are serious in building even the community, the referral program is very actually explosive. It's very rewarding, and we're excited about that. So I'm just quickly going to take you through a few slides. This is quantitative trading strategy. And then with this, my friend, you grasp the era of digital currency dividends. And this takes place 24/7. You're going to see how easy it is to operate this particular artificial intelligence software, whereby it will be going in and out of the markets, buying for you, selling for you when you are in profit. And what I like the most with this particular software is that it only closes trades that are in profit, not those that are not in profit. And this is quantitative trading, meaning that you do not, there's no leveraging here, so to speak. You make use of what you have, and when a trade is taken, that digital asset you remain with, and it will be sold when it is profitable for you to do so. And the good news is that money is in your Binance account, and then the software does not have access in terms of withdrawals and so forth. It is only there to read what is available in your USDT and also to take trades for you. And it's just as simple as that, as the markets get to levels where the parameters are. So with that being said, this quantitative trading strategy, the system uses artificial intelligence algorithms automatically, match quantitative trading strategies that are suitable for the current market situation. So you don't need to worry where the market is at the moment in that particular currency and so forth. The system will determine everything for you, and it will take trades when it's profitable for you to do so. And what I love is it does not buy at once as though transaction is done at market value. No, it will be buying for you as activity takes place. Say, for instance, when the market is gradually dropping, the system will be also increasing the number of the quantity that you'll be getting out of whatever trade that is taking place. And that is beautiful. We'll talk more about this for you to understand exactly what is happening. It's easy to operate this particular software. It's not difficult at all. And we also have a team of leaders that assist. Whoever, say, for instance, that invited you to this particular Zoom session is going to also be able to take you through the process or the procedure in terms of binding your exchange, whether it be on Binance or on Huobi. You will be able to bind, verify your documents, and so that you get yourself ready to trade there. It's very easy. And I believe that you will understand and see as we move along. Now, the advantages of this particular software is that money remains in your Binance account. And not only that, it adopts a multi-strategy, multi-technology fusion, intelligent quantification mechanism. Most of the users, for instance, when we take trades, we normally sit in front of whether your laptop or you check on your smartphone, and you're hoping that the price will reach certain levels and so forth. At times, by the time when it hit those levels, you're not there actually to execute the trade, especially with quantitative trading. It's very difficult for you to wait for the markets to reach certain levels and so forth. But when you make use of the bot will do the job for you, and that is incredible. With time, I will show you even of recent. I think today, early in the morning, there are trades that were taken, by the bot while I was asleep. Those trades were triggered, and I'm at peace with everything that is happening. And what you will love with the system is that only trades that are in profit, the bot is going to be closing and then buying for you again, especially when you are on the method of cycling. Now, how to start with RoyalQ? It's very simple. You get a link from the person that informed you of this particular opportunity. And thereafter, what you will need to do is just by clicking, you will be able to fill in your details to register. And all you need to do is $100 in TRC20 tokens. You need to understand that this is not ERC, but we pay in TRC, which is quick. And also the fees are very low there. After you have paid, you will be able to make use of this bot for the whole year. It is just as simple as that. And it's not expensive in the sense that when coming to profit sharing, they use 80:20, meaning you will keep 80% of the profits, and the bot will be claiming only 20% from the profits and not losing trades as such. And that is very interesting. If you want to build a team with RoyalQ, you will start from VIP level 1, and it keeps on moving up to 5. The highest is a Royal partner there, and you are able to earn from 30% up to 70%. And in terms of profit sharing, the company will be sharing part of its profits with you as a business builder, so to speak, from 20% up to 60% of profit sharing, which takes place every hour when activity takes place. On all the trades that get closed, the system will be sharing profits with you in USDT. And that, for me, it's very exciting. You can go through membership. We're not going to go into details with each and every level and so forth, but you can see that as you move up with membership, a lot of money you will be making out of this business. So we are excited about this opportunity because now we are building a business whereby money or our capital or our trading balance is not with the company, but it is in our exchange. So that gives us peace of mind because an exchange is an equivalent of a bank account. You know, for you to open, let's say, Binance account, we speak of Binance because that's where the most liquidity is throughout the world. So once you've got an account with Binance, you verify your ID, your documents, like your figure documents, you upload there. And once your account has been verified with your exchange, you will then be able to bind that as API and will assist you also to do that. And the board will be doing the job for you. And it's just as simple as that. There's a lot of things that we'll be taking you through, definitely with time. And yeah, that's it. We are here, guys. We are excited about this business and we are looking forward to building our team. Gradually, we're going to gain momentum. We are still new with Royal, and we also made a request to my sponsor to come and visit us one of these days, or maybe twice or 3 times per week, because we will be pushing going forward just for him to share the experience that he's got with this platform to this point. And he's doing very well with this platform, and he's got a good track record, and we will be able to engage with him. And I believe that when he's around, we'll also be able to ask even deeper questions and so forth. But even now, if you do have some questions that you'd like to know more about this particular bot or execution platform, you are at liberty to do that. This actually, it's been in a Chinese market since 2017, if I'm not mistaken, you know, but it was introduced to the app stores around April. At the moment, we can see the community is growing there. If you check on your app store, please, you will see that there's a lot of good feedback that the users actually are giving with this particular bot. And you are encouraged to do your own due diligence, check exactly what is happening with this, so that you make a decision with understanding. And also, I think it's very important to let people know that there is a complaint with regards to fake apps. I don't know if you've seen, for those of you who are already on RoyalQ, that there are notifications that we need to be aware of the fake RoyalQ apps that are there already. This was not there before, but of recent, since the beginning of this week, I've been receiving notifications from the company with regards to fake apps that are there. So as a result, please make sure that when you install or when you download the application in your App Store or your Apple Store and so forth, that you are actually making use of the correct, you are downloading the correct app. It's very important to do that, just to show you the warning actually that we are receiving from the company with regards to these fake apps. I was just reading one not long ago. I can just quickly share with you because we are here. You can see RoyalQ platform once again reminds users to prevent fake RoyalQ app. This is what is happening, guys. When you download an app, make sure, please, that you are downloading the legit one so that you don't end up sending your money to wrong people out there. So the best thing to do, follow the link of the person that has actually invited you to this opportunity so that you download correct application. You see, we have suffered similar challenge actually with another business that we are pushing, whereby people end up actually downloading apps and all this kind of stuff. So please make sure that you get the correct application so that your funds actually, let's say your subscription reaches correct recipient. So that's it, friends, business partners. Let me hear please from you with regards to how your day has been so far. Is there something that you see with this particular application or this particular bot or execution platform for trading? Don't you have desire to see trades being taken for you, but money remains in your account? This is an opportunity definitely for us to build a community of social traders, a business that's going to be sustainable for all of us. so that we don't have to always be crossing fingers with regards to processing of withdrawals and so forth. For me, I'm excited with this, and I believe that as we engage, as we build, we're going to grow as a team, and amazing things will happen with time. And this is what I'm ready for. And I commit myself to making the remainder of this year, 2021, very fulfilling in terms of growth and sustainability. So I'm excited about this RoyalQ, and amazing things will happen definitely. Because I'm still sharing, you can see at the moment, there is a trade that is going on here. I've just taken this trade actually with the new, I can say, students or partners on board. We took this together, and it was Mamtuli actually who chose this LTC for us, you know, and then you can see it's going on. And then I was checking, when was it? Let me just quickly check on the trading. These are the pairs, trading pairs. There is a number of pairs, leadership Mamtuli will give us the exact number that we have. Those are preset, determined by the RoyalQ. Now, which means this is one of the advantages. When we trade with RoyalQ, you're not gonna struggle with regards to which pair to trade and so forth. If you go on to, there's a lot of cryptocurrency pairs, even on the coin market cap, including fake ones, do you understand? So as a result, some they call them shit coins and so forth, you know. So, but when you trade with RoyalQ, RoyalQ selects cryptocurrencies that are legit, cryptocurrencies that have a substantial market cap. So as a result, whatever it is that you trade within the RoyalQ, it's something that will give you peace of mind. So when you are having that asset, you will know that no matter the floating loss, like you can see at the moment here, we're in the green in terms of the floating loss. It means the price is going higher and higher for this particular trade. So now there's something I would like to show you not long ago with this particular trade. Okay, let's trading, yeah, records. Let's go there because we're on the pairs now. Let's see if it opens. You can see around 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, 53 minutes past 4 and 20 seconds. The bot went and sold. It means it was in profit. And not only that, 53 minutes past 4 and 21 seconds, they took another trade. And not only that, it was early in the morning. I was still asleep around this time. Today is the 16th, as you can see. And then also 51 minutes past 10 a.m. and 16 seconds, they took another transaction they bought. You know, so this is incredible. It shows you that activity will be taking place. And the same that we're talking about is LTC. I mean, this is Litecoin USDT market. And not only that, you can see at the moment that particular market is appreciating in value. But while I was early hours of the morning, the board was able to come and buy bigger quantity, while I wouldn't have been able to do that because it means I would have to stay awake and check if the market reaches those levels or not. So I'm excited with this kind of job, and I'm monitoring the system. We helping one another, and I believe very soon, within 2 weeks or so, we're going to be very good at this, and we'll know exactly what to look for and so forth. We are helping one another in our team in terms of determining the levels that we need to go as per the account balances and so forth, because we need to get this from the basics and then we explode with it like that. So it's a very good time for anyone to partner with us if you really want to be part of a community whereby your crypto assets will be accumulated, you know, with peace of mind. So yeah, that's it, friends, business partners. We're embarking on a journey to accumulate digital assets for ourselves with peace of mind, knowing that that which belongs to ours remains with us. It is just as simple as that. So now let's hear from other leaders that are present here. I'm looking at the time, it's going to be 3 minutes past since we have started. So this shows that the presentation is not complicated at all. Should there be questions, definitely we are here. We will do our best to respond accordingly. Leadership Bitcoin in Soweto.
My leader, yes, it's a great Friday. No, it's a Friday. Yes, Friday. Yes, yeah. We mixed with the dates now, these days, because when you lock down, you don't even know what day of the week it is. But anyway, we are glad to be here again. Thank you very much, and greetings all the leaders that are online. I must say what I want to say about the RoyalQ is the experience that I will be getting, and I'm looking forward to get. And learn more about, to own all those coins that I was very resistant to even go attempt to buy and accumulate. So when you use the bot, it actually just throws you to go and find yourself owning a coin that you didn't even think about. Because if you think about the coins that are out there, we know Bitcoin, we know Ethereum, we know Dogecoin. There are other coins that, like yesterday, I was showing you the ADA and all that. Those are coins that we don't know, and they're performing very well. So I'm very, very grateful with the opportunity that I'm finding myself exposed to. So I'm definitely looking forward to learn and analyze and all that. And the nice thing, again, my leader, as much as we'll be helping with each other to choose the pairs, there's still an opportunity for those who are very, very, very new, who won't have time to analyze or whatever, but you can always go and have a copy trader, which will actually assist everyone. So don't panic and think, oh my wait, it sounds very complicated. I don't have time to go to analyze and compare the pairs and everything. There is a menu that is already prepared for you instant. It's a plug and go. So it's going to be very exciting. So in the meantime, on my side, I've done two. I've done my manual pairs and I've done the plug and go. So both of them, because I want to see which one is going to perform better. But thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Leadership Bitcoin in Soweto. And indeed, it's amazing because within the platform of this company, there are professional traders that have preset strategies for you, selected also the currencies. Whatever currency you select, everything is there. All you need is plug and play. It's just simple as that. Everything will be done for you. So you've got an opportunity to still copy professional traders. It's up to you who you want to work with, and you follow their strategy. You see their performance also within the platform, and that is incredible. It's exciting indeed. And thank you so much, Leadership Bitcoin in Soweto, for mentioning that. So yeah, it's exciting indeed. And I see Elizabeth, it's here, great leader in Namibia. So I trust that you're doing good. I see also Tozini, it's here. Yeah, there's a lot of leaders that are here. And Pastor Benji, welcome. That's beautiful. So yeah, we are here, and definitely we're not going to take long for this session. But if there's something, please, that you would like to engage with us, feel free to do so. We are beginning. This is an opportunity for you to start with us, and then one step at a time, we will be growing. Before the end of this year, 2021, we will be in a much advanced space because we'll be exposed to so many other things. Like Leadership Bitcoin in Soweto is highlighting the importance of the exposure that we have now with other cryptocurrencies. And what I love the most with this is this. We do not have to wait for Bitcoin price to go up there, to understand. Trading takes place as the market moves up and down. And when 1% is accumulated, and of which you can preset that if you want more, that will be done for you. The board will close the trade that is in profit and then go back into the market accordingly. If the market keeps on dropping like that, what they do, they buy in quantities, and they don't buy at once. They buy as the drop takes place, and then thereby accumulating more quantity, which is something that you wouldn't be able to do if you were to be doing it manually. So this is very exciting indeed, and I'm excited because at times the market can drop, say, by 4% while you are not there online. By the time when you come back, the market has already gone up, and you didn't get an opportunity to buy. Remember, with quantitative trading, volume is the quantity. How much of the asset do you have? That is a determining factor. Say, for instance, people that bought Bitcoin around the 13th of April, 2021, they bought it at around, say for instance, $64,000. But if you were to use $64,000 today to buy Bitcoin, you'll get a little bit above 2 units of that, meaning that by the time when it goes back to that price limit, you'll find that actually you've got more money than that. You'll have double 64,000, do you understand? So at the moment when the markets are down like this, it's an opportunity for us to buy more, to accumulate. And this is a very powerful platform that will enable us to do so. And as the markets or as the bull run starts, we will be actually getting the best out of this. So this is exciting. As an individual, wherever you are, just make up your mind to accumulate and build something for yourself where you'll have 100% control of your digital assets. If you can commit yourself, roll up your sleeves and work this business, start this board and make use of, take advantage of this opportunity, I'm telling you, you will have control over whatever it is that you'll be accumulating with this board. So it's an opportunity for all of us to learn and grow and support one another. And it's going to be great with time. So thank you so much. I don't know if there's anyone who would like to say something. It's an opportunity for you to do so before we end our session. So we will be engaging according to whatever needs that we have to add to our presentations so that we grow accordingly, you know, one day at a time.
My leader, please explain just a starter pack. I think the people that are maybe online now, they just in their mind to say, okay, what do I need to accumulate? And I understand that everybody is financially trained. But what is the little that we can start with? Because now we're trying to find our fit. So don't sit here and think maybe, oh, my weight, maybe it's going to be too expensive. Just take us through. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Well, that's a very good question. Thank you so much. Tosabi, will come to you now. It's once you've paid your subscription, you know, for the board, the minimum that the board triggers a trade for is $10. That is the minimum, of which, my friend, you know that $10 is not something that will take you far in terms of quantity of any digital asset that you want to buy. Minimum in your trading pool or in your Binance account is $10 that you need to have. However, you know, like for instance, my sponsor recommends from $300 and so forth, but that also is a question of affordability. You are not under pressure to start with big money. What is important is you can come and learn the system and see how actually the board will be functioning for you. And from there, with understanding, with that knowledge, you will then be able to add more to your Binance account, to your trading pool, so to speak, so that you are able to take advantage of many other coins. Say, for instance, even people who are trading with $100, they are able to choose 2 coins, to understand, and trade. So instead of, say, for instance, using $10 for each, for a different coin, for different coins, so to speak, you can use, say, $50 for one currency, another $50 for another one, and then you will see how performance goes like that. And you are able to set the system in such a way that it will be on cycle. So it will keep on buying and selling for you. Whenever they sell, it means you are in profit. And that gives you an opportunity to increase the quantity of that particular digital asset, rather than you just hodling. You know, say for instance, you've got a certain amount of Bitcoin now somewhere in your exchange, whether it be Coinbase, Luno, Altcoin Trader, and so forth. You know, you can bring it to your Binance and let that be grown for you. You know, let it be accumulated for you. So thank you so much, leadership, Mom to lead Bitcoin in Soweto. Minimum trade that can be taken, it's $10. That is when you just want to have an experience. But when you have, say, you know, $100, $200, $300, $1,000, there is no limit to the amount, maximum limit. It's not there, so to speak, you know, but minimum trade, it's from $10. That's where actually the bot starts at. You must have $10 for the bot to take trade for you in your Binance account. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, leadership. But remember, even after it has started with $10, it will then be controlled by the number of the margin calls. Say when the market drops, it can take maybe $20 trade again, or another $10, $40, $50, depending on the preset parameters that we would have put in place. So that it's easy to, we will definitely be assisting you to take you through that procedure. So thank you so much. Leadership, there's Tozi B wanted to say something. You are unmuted.
Yeah, hi everyone. Hi, my leaders. I'm so grateful to be on this platform and looking forward to learn, because at the moment I don't know a lot of things.
Yes.
Also, before I come back to my question, I want to add to the people who want to join, you also need $100 for the subscription for your RoyalQ. That one is a yearly subscription. You don't have to pay it every month. So that's another money that you need. But for trading, I think you can start from 10. So my question is, I've got this LTC, but at the moment, I don't even know where to look if there's accumulation, or I'm just looking at I'm blank.
Yes. Okay.
And I also have some money, some leftover money in my Binance. Do I leave it until maybe when we are doing the training so that I can be able to trade again?
Okay, that's a good question. See, what happens is the money that is available when you click on your quantitative, you know, from home you see quantitative. The board rates your USDT balance in your Binance, because they make use of the stable coin USDT to buy, you know, and then when they sell, it means your USDT balance will increase. When they buy, it means there will be a reduction in it. But that doesn't mean your money has left your Binance account. No, it simply means that they have now bought, say, for instance, Ethereum for you, or they have bought, if not ETH, maybe Litecoin or Doge or whatever. You see, it's something of that nature. So you will see fluctuation in your USDT balance. And then if you want to see, like for instance, you will see under the clock or the bell there, that's why you get notifications when the company takes trades for you, when they sell and so forth. And then
is it on the homepage?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is on homepage. Can you see that?
Transaction records.
Are you on your system now?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Why not display it or let others see?
Yes, we thought we were closing, but because of time, I don't know.
Can she? Are you able to share maybe for 5 minutes?
Yeah, let us share, please. Share.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Can I see?
You share your screens, né? And
Not yet.
What do you see?
Are you using your Zoom to share, right?
Yeah, I'm using Zoom.
Not yet. It's still, not yet.
It's not appearing yet. Yeah.
Great.
Oh, now it's coming.
Yes.
Can you see now?
Yes.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Okay. We understand time, and yeah. So now what you can do is okay. Do you see on click on? Can you go to mine? Click on mine or the far bottom. Yes, there we see mine bottom right.
Yeah.
You see there you can, and with other leaders now, feel free to click anywhere. You see, say for instance, right, you wanted to see, can you click on reward details, reward below team? You can see there's a lot of things going on there. Click on rewards details, just because of time for this. We're on rewards details.
Yeah, can you see?
Your total, it means there hasn't been any activity there. And then, okay, now the question is this: are you active? Are your transactions active? Are you trading at the moment?
I think so. Let's go back to quantitative again. I think I saw something there, or it's home. I just saw that the LTC is performing. So let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, LTC it's performing.
Yes.
And here's the balance at the bottom.
Okay. But it means, okay, we can see her balance, yes.
The balance is 124.
Yes. And then
Where do you see the balance?
No, it's 60.
Oh.
60, I've seen 60, yes. She's asking, where do we see that? Right at the bottom, can you see that?
Yeah, I can see it now. It's green.
Yes. So now, okay, I don't know whether it's because of the system not being refreshed or not. When we click under rewards there. Okay, let's do this before can you click on news? Let's see what transpired if you receive some notifications.
Go to order message.
Yes.
Yeah, there is an activity there.
Okay. New buy. Okay. There's only been buying.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Yes.
Yeah, it means now they haven't sold for you yet.
Okay.
Yes. So that is why then we are not able to see anything under your rewards. It means so far the board has been buying for you. They haven't closed.
Okay.
Yes, they haven't closed. And then now you are able to see there your floating. Yeah.
So if it's closed, where do I see when it's closed?
Close,
you'll see when you get a balance, when you get a bonus, when you get some payout that is closed, is taken as sell. But what I want you to go and have a look there is yes, I wanted to show you what did you start with, how many coins did you get when you bought that LTC, and what have you accumulated? Because you remember here we're stocking, so we're stocking up. So how much did you the system went and bought for you? Because it's quantitative. So what did we didn't record. Mm-hmm. What did you start with, so that it can, when it says buy, how many did it buy, the increment that it gave you, because that's a LTC that's available for you now. So that 124, it's what it's about. Is that 124? I can't see now. What is the quantity there? That quantity is what it's available for you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, we will. I'm looking at a time also because
but we're training on Sunday. It's fine.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Not only on Sunday. Maybe we can even also have a meeting with her after the next meeting. We screen broadcast. Oh, okay.
Okay, that's fine.
No, it's for Zoom. That one, it's fine. We can stop. So we will look when under rewards at Tozibi, when the board has sold, you will see under rewards that there's profits that came in. You will see that definitely. But we are now at peace. We've seen that on all the transactions or notifications that we have received, the board has always been buying. They bought like 3 times for you. And then also leadership, Mamtuli, we need to look at her take profit percentage.
Okay.
Yeah, I think her take profit percentage should determine how much that was set for. And then also the callback for that. We need to look at it and then make sure that it's set right, so that it's not a huge take profit. It mustn't be something that is not achievable, but we will be able to check on her strategy, because this is cycling and it's going on. It kept on buying. And because if I look on my side, LTC, yes, has been closing profit, has been closing in profit. Then we will check that for her. Because we'll have a meeting.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
We'll have a meeting and do that. We need to know exactly what transpired. Leadership, I see you're unmuted.
Pastor Benji.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. That's it. That's it. And also, Leadership Victor is just joining us now, but we're about actually to conclude our session for tonight.
Yes.
So that Tosi B will attend to you. Mam Tuli is very good at that. She will check your settings, your trade settings. Your bot, it's buying. We've seen that. But the market in which you are, it's been doing well. You know,
Okay.
so there must have been profits that realized there, and then we will know exactly what transpired. So thank you so much for that. And then tomorrow we are meeting again, same time, and I'll hand over to Umam Tuli then to conclude the session for us, please.
Thank you very much, all my leaders. And I know there's always this Chinese language that you're hearing here, but eventually all of us, we're going to understand what we're talking about as we move forward. It's really great excitement ahead of us that we're going to learn. So we're meeting tomorrow again at 1900 hours, and then go and Google as much as you can about RoyalQ and be aware of those fake apps and all that. Then tomorrow come with questions and say, this is what you picked up on your research, and then maybe we can be able to answer you. What we actually do want is that we want you to understand exactly, more or less, having a 50% of an idea how the system works before you even start to put any money into it. That will give you a bit of a comfort. You know, there are people that are very spontaneous. You know, I'm one of those people that I learn in the gym.
Yeah.
So I don't wait. So there are people that if you feel that, no, I want this time to be very careful, please just attend and learn as much as you can. Once you feel that you now more or less 50% you understand, then now you can say, take a one step. So thank you again. May the good Lord keep you with your families and everything else, and have more blessings. Amen. Thank you.
Welcome to the future.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.